Any comments on that? Okay. What are you doing?
I am being a human washing machine. Washing one single sock. The bag's starting to break, so it's all going everywhere. But it's working!
So what is up, guys? Now up here. Oh yeah.
Featuring plastic bag.
It's been a while since we did a flatmate series. So.
Don't get me in it!
So
No, stop! Too much paparazzi! Oh my god, no!
Anyways, so today we're doing a day in the life.
Oh.
It's like 4 p.m.
No, I'm trying to signal you!
That was a very bad signal.
You're right there.
Ow, I'm really hot! Finally here.
So on average we have about 3 breakdowns a day. Here's the second one of the day.
I have 6 a day.
What about you?
I don't have any.
Shut up! What are you lying for?
I will come dash the sock at you.
Do it.
Sock in a bag.
Throw it at her. Oh my gosh, there's water coming out of this.
In a bag. Do what you wish.
Blood fire! You are lucky that didn't. Hey, if that would have popped, yeah?
I have water balloons, by the way.
Yo!
I meant in summer.
My aim's impeccable.
I went in summer.
My aim's
water balloons.
impeccable. You're very lucky, you're very lucky, you're very lucky.
Continue, guys, because this is washing the socks. So you're washing the sock for me.
I mean, not really, because it's just going around in the same dirty water. You aim disgusting.
I'm
gonna put it on the chair.
Are you though?
Yeah.
No, she's not.
Say something.
Wow.
Well,
Wow.
Right.
Where's it go?
Behind it. It's gonna hit the chair.
We're gonna pop it.
Huh?
We're gonna pop it and it's gonna be horrible.
That is
If it pops on me,
That's gonna be your problem.
Should we do a prank, yeah?
On who?
And like, on someone, just Alice, right? Because
No, Alice still is gonna get me back, so I'm not involved.
she wants to get fishes, right? She wants pet fish. So I was gonna say we should buy some like rubber fish. I don't know where from. Put it in some
Toy
water
shop.
and put it on the floor like that, and then be like, oh my god, we bought these for you the other day. It's split now, by the way.
I'm very much aware.
Sorry. You want to see this?
This bitch made me get up. This better be worth it.
Krusty Krab is unfair. Mr. Krabs is in there.
Why have you got shoes on? Where are you going?
Because I went to the washing machine.
Oh.
Guys, let's take the trash out.
Oh, fuck off.
Oh. I'll take one, you can take one, Jade can take one.
I'll take one, you take one, Jake can take the rest. No,
Just
we all
need
take
one.
one, then everyone else can take one down the road.
Okay.
Wait, I need to take this box as well, and a few more boxes. Wait.
Your hair.
No, you got yours on.
I haven't. Why would I do that?
I asked the same question. Do you reckon Matt will let us have a barbecue outside?
Okay, who's barbecue? Who's food? Who's
Number
money?
one, shut your mouth. No.
Arriba!
Someone's got their key, right?
Nope.
Yep.
Good move.
Oh my god.
We've both established I'm a juicy girl, you can't move.
Oh, it smells good.
It's kind of like candy from everywhere.
Guys, check out the smell option on YouTube.
Oh wow. Aggressive. I was moving out of the house. Wait.
If you guys remember, that's where we saw Selena Gomez. Okay, so we were bringing the bike back, and there's Selena Gomez here.
She's actually here.
She's here. Do you want to see her? Hi. Same.
Oh yeah, they covered up her face.
Why?
I don't know.
What the fuck?
Told you.
This is terrifying.
She's like an assassin.
No, she's been held ransom.
Oh my god. They have left me. They have abandoned me.
Oh yeah, Caitlin.
Password.
We should actually hope us. It'll be so
Yeah,
fun.
cake is, but when it comes to me, okay, cool. You think cake will pass, you want to let, okay, cool.
I mean, I was letting you both in.
I know now, innit?
I was letting you both in. Why are you mad?
Oh, alright.
Bye, Jade. Oh. Bye, cardboard.
No.
It's day 2 and I nearly fell. And we're playing Guitar Hero live. And Jade is wrecking it. Listen to that copyright strike. So that's what we're going to be doing. I don't know. All day, I don't know.
Just now, feel like giving up on us.
I'm out of breath. Oh my god. I feel like that's the only song I'd be able to play on expert.
Stick on a song, please.
Here to never grow up. Only Alice and I left now. We were like 5 in the kitchen, now there's just us. I'm gonna go now. Bye!
I mean, I'm not the Guitar Hero, so...
Bye!
Bye.
Bye! Hi! Look how fast it's going!
Oh,
How are you, Jade?
great! Ooh, this angles everything.
Anyway, to top it off, Jade is gonna bring back her Wii when she goes home, so it's gonna be fun!
Don't be sick!
Violence! So now, I don't know what she's doing. But now we're gonna play Call of Duty. I know this map by heart, so don't try to hide.
You're literally just...
Oh shit!
Yeah.
Didn't expect that.
That's what she said. Oh!
Please get out.
No.
Just leave.
Just leave. You can't get rid of me. Can't get rid of the likes of me.
Climb!
She fucked. She fucked up.
I was too busy figuring out how to climb.
You idiot.
Don't you just walk into the ladder?
You have to press X.
I didn't realise how far I zoomed in until I turned around and Jade's face was just there.
No!
They got talkie-walkies. Are you in the same,
It's not working. It's not working. Maybe it's... Can you hear me talk?
That's so weird.
Oh no. I can hear you when you talk. Why?
Where is she going?
Can you hear me? I don't think it's working, Jade.
Hi.
This was having a breakdown, to be honest.
It's 3 p.m. and there's only Jade and I left. That's Jade, as you should know, because she's literally in every single video for my flatmate series. Yeah, so with this we're gonna end this vlog, we're gonna end this episode. So with that, how do I end my vlogs? I haven't ended a vlog in like weeks. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you
Next time!